Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Pora Live and video call application. So first of all, you need to make sure that you already download this app in your device, then tap on the open button. So you can see the interface or home page like this, then you have to I agree, tap on the button. Then you can create your account two ways. First of all, sign in with Google, and another time sign in with Facebook. So two option is really easy. So this time I'm going to create my account, sign in with Facebook, or maybe sign in with Google. So simply tap on the sign in with Google, then you will see uh, your Gmail ID. Simply tap here. It's really simple, and you can do the next step. So agree and share. So you can see it's loading now. Just wait for a while. So you can give your name here. You have to complete your information. I'm just going to give my name, and then you can see the option done, and tap the next button. And what is your gender? Select your gender. So male and female. If you male, then tap on the first one. If you are a female, then tap on the second one. And select your birthday. You have to select your birthday. You can't change after confirmation. So you have to choose the birthday wisely, because after completing your account, you are not able to change your birthday date. So I'm just going to tap, and I'm just going to choose my birthday. So you can choose your real birthday, because if something happen on your app or on your account, then you can recover it, and then confirm it and complete. So that's it. It's really easy. So you can see the new interface in your face. So just cancel, and this way you can create your account or you can use. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.